All right, guys, I'm back at the scene of the crime, and you'll see there is no Tello up there because I just rolled up here and I bent over and saw this branch right here. And what I did was I stomped on it like this, and I broke me off a piece of branch like this, and I threw it up there at the tree and it hit the Tello. Tello's down there. We'll go down there and get it. Never hurts to return to the scene of the crime. Now I'm going to slide down the hill, but it was wet yesterday, so it was real muddy, so you got a good grip. But today it's all dry. And there it is right there. The battery's out of it, but I see it. There's the Tello, the fucking turd. So, you know, I might bring one of my trucks over here and try this hill. It's a pretty damn steep hill. I wonder if I'll be able to get out. But anyway, that's what I did. I just threw a branch. Where's the branch I threw? Well, it hit right up there. So, it has to be here somewhere. It just hit the Tello, just dead right on, and fell straight down. I think it might have been this one here. Oh, here it is, right here. It's this one. This is the one I used, right there. Okay, well, we got the Tello back, so now I can go back to making the videos I wanted to make, which was the comparison videos with the Mambo. But I won't fly it. I'll take it out to that Pioneer Park, the one where they don't have any trees. They have trees, but they're far away. You know, they're like a couple 100 feet away. So I won't come over. This is a real small park. This is the park I just go to. It's next to the bar I go to. So that's the only reason I even stopped over here, was to have a cold one. So that's why I brought the Tello with me yesterday. And I had a cold one after, of course, the Tello was gone. I don't drink and fly the quads. But I shot a couple videos. I plan on shooting, you know, like 4 videos yesterday, because I had the Spark with me and the Tello and the Spider-Man drone and the XK that Cuppy gave me. But I, after the Tello got stuck in the tree, I kind of pissed me off enough to where I didn't feel like shooting any more videos. So the only videos I shot was the Tello and the XK. Well, anyway, I wish I could have recorded throwing the stick, but I couldn't. There's no damage. It's only had a little mud on the prop there. But yeah, it's fine. But I couldn't hold the phone and throw the stick at the same time to get an accurate throw, you know. So I had not start the recording yet. But anyway, well, let's see if I can get up this damn hill. Go over here. It's a little damper over on this side. I might be stuck down here forever, like a troll. A troll in the sewage. Oh, shit. God, getting up this hill's a bitch for an old geezer. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any of I took all the stuff in the house yesterday, all the controller and all that crap. So I don't have nothing in the car. All right, guys. Whew. The Tello is back. All right, guys, have a nice day.